Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Okay, so have you ever looked at your counter and thought, this coffee area needs a serious upgrade? Because I definitely have, and that's exactly why I'm so excited to. This is the Crest-Eyed new coffee machine matte dish drying mat, and honestly, it's a game changer for any kitchen. First off, let's talk about the design. It's got this super sleek, modern minimalist vibe that just instantly elevates your space. No more clunky, boring mats. This one is made from silicone, which feels really smooth and almost velvety to the touch, but it's also super durable. You know how sometimes drying mats can feel flimsy? Not this one. It has a nice weight to it, so it stays put. One of the things I love most is how incredibly absorbent it is. You know that annoying little puddle that forms around your coffee maker after you brew your morning cup, or when you're rinsing out those tea bags? This mat just soaks it right up. I've seen water disappear into it in seconds, leaving my counter completely dry and clean. It's like magic. Plus, because it's silicone, cleaning it is a breeze. Just a quick wipe down, or you can even toss it in the dishwasher. And get this, it's also biodegradable, which is such a huge plus. It's nice to have something that's not only functional and looks great, but is also kinder to the planet. You'll notice how many people have already discovered and raved about this mat. It's clearly a favorite for a reason. It's perfect for placing under your coffee machine, beside the sink for dishes, or even as a general counter protector. It's significantly better than those old cloth mats that just get soggy and stained. Seriously, if you're looking to add a touch of modern, if this helped, hit. Link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.